Isang kababayan natin ang gumagawa ngayon ng pangalan abroad sa sport na tennis. Pero kahit malayo na ang kanyang narating, hindi pa rin siya nakakalimot na tumulong sa kanyang mga kababayan. Narito ang kwento ng Pinoy tennis prodigy na si May Cuito.
Bata pa lamang, namulat na sa larong tennis ang 21-year-old NCAA Division III Pomona Pitzer na si May Cuito.
I joined the PCA age group, so it's kind of like the biggest tournament sa Philippines. After naaliw ako kasi parang right next to me were kids na parang sobrang intense na competitive at like younger pa than me. Or I remember going back home tapos naisip ko na parang I wanted to join next year and sana baka next time makaabot pa ako sa second day.
At pagkatapos ng high school, nagdesisyon si May na dalhin sa US ang kanyang talento sa tennis. Dito naging bahagi siya sa tennis team ng Pomona College na kabilang sa NCAA Division III.
For me, yun yung college tennis, like the funnest part ng tennis career ko. Kasi parang individual sport siya, pero you're part of a team. So parang you're playing not only for yourself then when you're there. Yung tennis talaga, it made my, I don't know, it gave me a stronger personality talaga over the years.
Pero bukod sa pagpapatibay sa kanyang personalidad, may ibinigay na bagong misyon ang sport sa kanya.
Kasi when I was growing up, I played against mga kids who, they really, you can tell na they had the passion talaga to parang become champions or to get scholarships to go to the best colleges here through tennis. For my foundation, I was inspired kasi feel ko if every kid in the country was given parang the chance to find their passion, to pursue their dreams.
Nagsimula si May na gumawa ng hakbang para makatulong sa mga kabataan. Bukod sa pagiging tennis player, isa ring writer si May at 5 libro na ang kanyang nalalathala. Kalimitang tema ng kanyang mga akda ay tungkol sa pagsusumikap at sa kabataan.
My last book was called The Year We Became Invincible. Parang coming of age story kasi yung young adult kasi diba yun usually yung parang you're leaving childhood and entering adulthood. Parang metaphor practice niya sabi na parang butterfly daw siya. I guess yung story na yun, it's about this girl who's trying to figure out who she wants to be. And kasi siya yung tipong parang may set na siya na restriction sa kanya since she was a kid. Tapos nirealize niya parang 4th year na siya ng high school. She's like, oh, I think I'm much more than I'm boxing myself into.
Dito niya nabuo ang ideya na itayo ang Are You Ready Foundation. Isang grupo na tumutulong magtayo ng library para sa mga kapuspalad na kabataan.
For me, I can't really do anything without parang a good foundation ng education. Feel ko na parang it's not right na there are some kids na hindi binibigay ng opportunity na yun. Kid kasi ako, like, writing and reading din. Yun yung parang outlets ko on how to express myself and where I parang found my confidence talaga. And I feel like parang that's what kids really need is yung chance to find their own voice through stories that they read or stories that they write.
Sa relocation site sa Navotas, unang binuksan ang Gintong Isip Library. Malaking tulong para sa kabataan ng library sa pang-araw-araw nilang pag-aaral.
Matuto kaming magbasa at magsulat ng mga aking kaibigan at di na po namin kailangan mag-rent ng computer para lang po magawa ng assignment. Kasi po dito po sa library meron na pong computer.
Mahilig na po silang magbasa. Dati po yung mga bata dito, wala po silang hilig sa books kasi po galing po sila sa iba't ibang lugar, mga squatters area, na hindi po talaga nila nararanasan yung ganitong klaseng library.
At hindi pa dito natatapos si May. May plano pa siyang magtayo ng iba pang mga libraries sa ibang bahagi ng bansa. Dahil para sa kanya, walang katumbas ang pagbibigay ng pag-asa sa mga batang nangangarap.
I feel like when kids are exposed to stories and fiction like that, they're able to see themselves become a better person. Parang just believe that they can be whoever they want to be. Just don't give up hope on what you want to do. And parang there's always someone who will believe in you if you want to achieve whatever you want to achieve.
Anton Rojas, ABS-CBN News. For more sports updates, keep watching The Score. And don't forget to subscribe.